Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook and whether or not they accept ACH payments. Now, I know that a lot of you are using HoneyBook to manage your clients and invoices, and you may be wondering if you can use ACH payments to get paid. So, let's dive into the answer to that question. What is ACH payment? Before we get into whether or not HoneyBook accepts ACH payments, let's take a quick look at what ACH payments are. ACH payments are electronic bank transfers that are processed through the Automated Clearinghouse (ACH) network. This network is used by banks and other financial institutions to transfer money between accounts. ACH payments are a convenient way to make and receive payments. They are fast, secure, and cost-effective. Does HoneyBook accept ACH payments? The answer to this question is yes. HoneyBook does accept ACH payments. This means that you can use ACH payments to get paid from your clients. How to set up ACH payments in HoneyBook? Setting up ACH payments in HoneyBook is easy. Here are the steps you need to follow. Go to your HoneyBook settings. Click on the Payments tab. Enable ACH payments. Enter your bank account information. Save your changes. Once you have set up ACH payments, you can start using them to get paid from your clients. Benefits of using ACH payments in HoneyBook. There are a number of benefits to using ACH payments in HoneyBook. Here are a few of the most important benefits. Faster payments. ACH payments are processed quickly, so you can get your money faster. More secure. ACH payments are secure, so you can be confident that your money is safe. Cost-effective. ACH payments are typically less expensive than other payment methods, such as credit cards. If you are using HoneyBook to manage your clients and invoices, I highly recommend that you set up ACH payments. It is a convenient, secure, and cost-effective way to get paid.